Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Rapids Water Park tickets online. So if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long lines, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of the video. So once you have opened up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here, from where we can get started by clicking the check availability option right here at the bottom right corner. That's going to enable us to take a look at all the dates we can purchase the tickets for. So I'm going to see any available date. Let's say I want to purchase it for the 10th right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to show me what kind of tickets I can get. So I'm going to select one ticket for me. You can select multiple if you want, and then click the next button. Once you click on next, it's going to take you to this page right here where you can go and take a look at similar experiences that you can save money on. If you're not interested, just click the no thanks option, go to the next page, from where we can get started filling out all our info. So provide your first name, last name, phone number, and so on. So once you provided all the necessary info, you can just click the next button, and it's going to take you to this page from where you can get started selecting your payment method. So you can go and select whichever one you prefer. You have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. And once you selected your payment method, it's going to open up the new menu from where you can get started providing your info. So once you provided your credit card info and click the pay button, you will successfully purchase the tickets, and they're going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account. So if you want to get started purchasing your tickets today, go into the description of this video, find the first link, open it up, and get started following the steps I have just showed you right here to get tickets for your family. So I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.